हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज सैटरडे और हमने प्लान किया है यहाँ पे पेट सेंचुरी है वहाँ पे जाने का। तो बस हम अभी अभी निकलने वाले हैं। हमारे घर से वो 1.5 घंटे की दूरी पे है। पेट सेंचुरी में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स मिलेंगे आपको जिनको आप टच कर सकते हो, और वो बिल्कुल भी आपको हार्म नहीं करेंगे। वहाँ पे लोग हैं जो आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन में देंगे और बताएंगे कि कैसे कैसे एनिमल्स हैं वहाँ पे। वहाँ पे एंट्री है, कुछ टिकट लगता है वहाँ पे जाने का। और 3 साल से कम के बच्चों के लिए फ्री एंट्री है, कोई टिकट नहीं है। 3 साल से ज़्यादा 400 रुपये पर टिकट है वहाँ पे। उस जगह का नाम है प्राणी। आप वहाँ पे विज़िट कर सकते हो। आप वहाँ पे एनिमल्स को टच कर सकते हो। वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े लिजर्ड मिलेंगे आपको, वहाँ पे स्नेक भी है। तो देखते हैं ये ट्रिप कैसा होने वाला है। सारे बहुत एक्साइटेड है, अंश भी बहुत एक्साइटेड है। तो गाइज चलो, बने रहिए मेरे साथ।
So, uh, how should I start?
I mean, anything. In Hindi also you can talk so that everybody can.
Now I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
Okay. Just tell us about the Prani, how it started, and the concept of the Prani.
So, at Prani, our mission is very simple here. We want to reconnect people, especially kids, with nature through our sanctuary and our domesticated animals.
Okay.
And Prani do not buy or sell any animals. All the animals which you met today were rescued and surrendered by their owners.
Okay.
And it's been 8 years now. We are welcoming each and everyone to interact with animals in a very safe environment.
Okay.
So you can pet animals here. You can see them. You can know about them.
Okay.
So it's like an extended classroom for your kids,
Okay.
where they can learn and interact with various animal species. At Prani, we have around 1,200 animals of multiple species.
Okay.
All are friendly, and they all are pet animals, healthy and vaccinated.
Okay.
So no need to worry. Just come to Prani and enjoy your day.
Okay. And if somebody want to give any pet here, so
Yeah.
they can give.
Yeah. So Prani, as I told you, all the animals are rescued and surrendered.
Yeah.
So if you have an exotic animal at your house, it's a pet animal.
Yeah.
It can be a dog, bird, rodent, amphibian, reptile, anything.
Okay.
You can come to Prani and you can hand over your exotic animal to us.
Okay.
And now Prani is going to take care of the animal for the entire life.
Okay. Thank you so much. And it was really great to get the information from you all. Everybody are doing very good here. They are giving the touch it. Iguana की lizard है? This one is iguana? Go, you want to touch iguana? Why not?
Yeah, so guys, once you're done, you can move the next section, okay? So those who are not done, you can give a gentle touch on the belly part.
Only to the belly part. Come this side. Touch kar, mommy video करेगी.
Yeah, so those are inside. I'll show you, okay?
Did touch? Ansh, go touch. Touch. इसको touch करो.
You can see the feet. It's the same as a duck. Okay, sir, come near to you. You can give him a gentle touch on the body. Those who are done, you all can wait there and take it to the goat.
ಆಮಿ ಇದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಕಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ದಾಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ
Ansh, put your hand ahead. Okay.
ये हमसा हमसा
ಹಂಸ
हाँ हमसा हाँ हमसा
इसका कलर कितना प्यारा है यार, ब्लू ग्रीन ब्लैक. Ansh, touch the feeder.
So now we are going to meet one more lizard, and this lizard is called as bearded dragon.
Okay.
It's a bearded dragon and they are native to outback of Australia. So they like to eat 15 to 20 cockroaches in one time.
हमारे घर छोड़ दो इसको.
So they are very docile in nature, so calm. That's why they are kept as exotic pets in India. And it's a male in my hand. Have a look at the dark black color chin.
Okay.
Females doesn't have a dark black color chin.
Okay.
Female over there. And they have spiky spines behind the chin. That's why they are called as bearded dragon.
Okay.
So when they pop up their mouth, it looks like a beard. And because of the spikes on the whole body, they look like a dragon, bearded dragon.
Okay.
So I will come closer to you. You guys can make a gentle touch only at the back.
Okay. Oh, oh, oh. He's getting scared or what?
I think mother
ये कलर भी चेंज करता है?
No,
No.
you can't change the color. So you can make a gentle touch from top to back. Top to back like this. Not from bottom to top.
Okay.
Top to bottom. Always make a gentle touch. Once or twice is enough. Fine. Please do not touch at the tail. Tail, legs and the head. Only at the back. Slowly, slowly.
And this setup called as Palladorium. So you have terrestrial plants on the top and aquatic plants in the water. So all of them are near the and we can find these fishes mangrove forest in India, Sri Lanka and Australia. And they can eat small insects and go. Guys, you can just imagine one insect sit on the branches, okay? How they can eat that insects? Spring water. Can they jump? Okay, any other guesses? Spit the water. I'm sure you can just listen.
I guess they spit something up. Yeah. I have seen it somewhere.
Silence, okay? Everyone maintain silence.
They spit up.
Okay, so here we have mealworms, okay? So this is larva stage worms.
Yeah.
You can just observe.
They'll spit up. Ansh, look, they. Oh!
Fish, what do you do?
Yes.
See, what do you do?
I've seen this. I've seen this.
10 feet height, okay?
Yeah.
So after insects fell in the water, then they will eat. That's the reason what it's called. What fish is this? Archer fish or spitting fish? Spitting fish. Yes. You want to see one more time? Yes.
They're spitting on the target. Ansh, look. They'll have worm. Oh.
Okay, now we will meet rabbits.
Just why? Ansh, come here.
What is this, Mama? What is this?
Sana. What is this? You tell. What is this? This is iguana.
Iguana.
Just see iguana. And she's looking. Come. He's searching for you. Look. Why are you feeling scared?
Oh, one more
Come.
iguana.
Oh, here also. Come. See? Oh, they are not moving. At least he's moving. Oh, baby, one more. Look up here in that cage.
So many iguanas.
Oh my God, Anshik, this is come. Oh,
So
see that side also. There are two in that cage. Here,
many iguanas.
look,
There are so many iguanas.
sir.
Horse.
Horse, yeah, we'll see horse. Come. Yes, we'll go. Oh, Anshik.
That is a horse only.
Here you can touch and shake. You want to touch?
What?
Come.
What?
Come.
What?
Come. You want to touch? Come.
No.
Anshik, I'll make video of you. See, they are touching iguana. Come.
No, I don't want.
Come here. No. Please hold the hand of the kids. I will tell you when and how to touch. Okay? Bambadi bam bam.
Bum bum.
So we are in the reptile section now. So I will be asking you some questions.
Okay.
What are reptiles, you know? What are reptiles or what animals comes under the reptile family?
Which don't have the feet,
They don't have the feet.
I guess.
Okay. Lizards have feet.
They are reptiles?
They
Yeah, they
They
are.
are reptiles.
Oh,
So reptiles are basically crawlers. And reptiles can't
Which
regulate their body
crawls?
temperature by their own. They have to rely on external sources. Like if they want to feel warmer, they'll go and sit under the sunlight.
okay.
And if they want to feel colder, they'll go and sit under the shade. It can be a tree shade or they'll go and sit under the burrows.
Okay.
Okay. And it's a python in my hand. This one is called as African ball python. They are native to Africa, and whenever they are resting, they will curl themselves in the shape of a ball.
Okay.
That's why they are African ball python. And are they venomous or are they?
They are venomous.
They are non-venomous.
That's why you're holding it.
Yeah, all the pythons are non-venomous. Okay. In India, how many species of python we have? What do you think? Any ma'am, come this side. Any random number? 7, 5? No. Any random number? 30. Only one. Only one. In India, we have only one species of python. That is called as Indian rock python.
Okay.
So, we should always approach a snake from bottom like this, like how I am holding. Please do not touch at the top. If you will touch at the top, they will be stressed. Because in the wild, the predator bird will approach from the top only.
Top only. Okay.
Yeah, it can be eagle, it can be kite, okay, it can be shikra, yeah, hawk as well. So, always, please show your hand like this, join both the hand like this, and start from this corner.
Oh, Anshik.
No.
Start. Anshik, pakdo na. Please. I'll hold it. Now only you were telling. Duckling.
Not baby goose called as. No, Gosling. Gosling. Yes. Now you can all please come this side, guys.
Anshik, what are you doing? You're making it dancing.
So, we have one more reptile. This is the last reptile in this section. What are they?
Turtle. Tortoise.
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 Tortoise. So, the next land. A tortoise is completely a land animal.
Land.
But how do you know it's a tortoise is? Have a look at the back legs. The back legs are legs and front leg legs. And the front legs are made to dig burrows.
Oh,
They are very big burrowers. They can dig burrow up to a length of 10 to 15 feet. And they are completely herbivores. And this particular species is known as Sulcata tortoise. This is the world's third largest tortoise species.
Mm.
The adult one will grow up to a length of 2.5 feet. Double of the size of this. He is only 16 years old right now. 16. And they can live up to an age of 100 to 120 years.
Oh.
Can you guess what is the age of the tortoise? What is the age of the tortoise?
70.
60-70. So you are very close. He is only 6.
6 years.
Yeah. And now you can make a gentle touch only at the top shell. Please do not tap on the shell. Don't touch the feet and shell.
6 years only. पीछे हो.
तो ये थोड़ा सा कितना बड़ा है? ये जब 35 साल का होता है ना तब तक होता है. 250.
And don't go ahead.
ऐसा कुछ टच नहीं करना है.
They can bite also, baby. They can bite also.
ओके.
मेरे सिर के ऊपर से गया.
हाँ मेरे सिर के ऊपर से गया.
Oh, Ansh, come here.
अंश इधर आओ. कम.
Do your hand like this, okay? Do your hand like this, okay? हाँ.
बोले ओ भाई सिर में ही बैठे हुए.
Ansh, do your hand like this, okay? Sitting on my hand.
यहाँ बैठ के उधर खा रहा है.
Ansh, it will come to your hand also, okay? Open your hand. Open your hand wide. Don't do that. अब ऊपर करो हाथ.
अंश उसे टच मत करो.
I'll hold your hand, okay? Be like that.
अब आएगा. अंश से आएगा अभी जाओगे.
वेट, ऐसे नहीं करो. अभी आएगा. ओह,
वेरी नाइस.
Ansh, it's okay. Don't do that. Okay. Let it.
ओ अंश के सिर पे देखो.
Don't do that. They'll not do anything. Anshi. Ansh, look, Papa's hand. Where is it going?
कितने बैठे?
2. फोटो की.
वाह कितना सही से बैठा है. हाय बोलना है.
नहीं करना, बॉडी करना. They are eating and you people are disturbing. Come. So Anshik, how's your strawberry shake? Is it good? You enjoying? Look here. Oh, Papa is getting something sandwich and
Sweet lassi.
sweet lassi. So guys, here in Prani they have canteen also. So there you can get shakes, coffee, sandwiches, everything for kid as well and for big as well.
तो पेट सेंचुरी हम लोग ने बहुत एंजॉय किया। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। बाय बाय गाइस।